Okay, to multiply radicals, I'm going to simplify each of these first just to make things simpler and give me easier numbers to work with. Radical 10 cannot be simplified, so we'll leave it radical 10. 20 can, because you get 2 times 10 and then 2 times 5, so we do have a pair of 2's that can come out. So that will become 2 radical 5. Now, we multiply everything on the outside together, which this is basically, remember, an assumed 1. So 1 times 2 is 2. Then we multiply the inside together. 10 times 5 is 50. Now check it one more time, see if you can simplify that answer. So 50, you get 2 times 25. 5 times 5. So now if 5 comes out, there's already a 2 out, and our 2 stays in. So 10 radical 2 would be your final answer. Okay, I'm going to simplify the radicals it can be again. 2 radical 2 cannot. 8 can be simplified to 2 radical 2. Okay, so now we go to multiply. We multiply the outsides together. 2 times 2 is 4. Now, when we go to multiply these, anytime you multiply a radical by itself, that's the same as squaring it. This square right here and this radical, they are inverse operations, so they cancel, leaving you with the 2. So this is basically 4 times 2. We multiply those, and that would be 8. Okay, again I'm going to start by simplifying any radicals if I can. 10 can't be, but p, we have 3 of them, which means there's 1 pair. So 1 comes out, and 1 stays in, because there's 1 left over. And then the radical for the second expression cannot be simplified. Now we go to multiply the outsides. P times negative 2 is negative 2p. And we have, like we did on the last problem, the radicals are the same, which means we're squaring a radical. And the square and the radical are inverse operations, so they cancel, leaving you with 10p. So we multiply that, we get negative 20p squared. Another example where we were able to eliminate the radical. Let's simplify each radical. 12v cubed. See 12, you have 2 times 6, 2 times 3. So there's a pair of 2's. And then you have 3 v's. So there's a pair of v's. And there's already a 2 out. So 2 times 2 is 4. 1 pair of v's that come out. And then we have a 3 and a v left over that stay inside. And then the 24v squared. 2 times 12. 2 times 6. 2 times 3. So again, there's a pair of 2's and a pair of v's. And there's already a 3 out. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then the pair of v's. And then we have a 2 times 3 left over, which is 6. Now we can multiply the outsides together. 4v times 6v is 24v squared. Multiply the inside. 3v times 6 is 18v. Now we need to simplify the 18v, or the radical 18v. 18 is 2 times 9, and then 3 times 3. So we can bring another 3 out. and there's already 24, so 3 times 24 is 72v squared. We have a 2 and a v left on the inside.